Orange. Yang Ammar tak nak purple ke?
Ah?
Ni ada purple ni, kereta baru ni. Purple.
No. Apa?
Kan cantik kan purple ni. Okay, try purple. Okay. Alright. Jom, let us start reading. Ammar. Apa Ma?
Run.
Good. Sam can run. Okay, 2 boxes for you. Okay, next one, Ammar.
He run. He can run faster.
Bukan faster, fast. Tutupkan teh tu.
Fast.
He can run fast. Okay, 1, 2. Very good. Next one, Ammar. Ammar.
Here is the best.
Okay, one more time. This one.
He
Yes.
is the best.
Very good. He is the best. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, how about this one, Ammar? Ma, a bit more. Come.
He is the best in the class.
He is the best in class. Very good. 1 and 2. Panjangnya, Ma. Lagi. Fine.
Some has a flag.
Yes, one more time. This one, the blue one. What is this?
Look.
Look. Okay, very good. Look, Sam has a flag. Okay, good. Okay, finish reading. Very good.